Hello all, welcome to the ABAP training session. Thanks for joining in and thanks for showing the quality of giving your quality of time to training session. Hope this session will be great and would be giving you good benefits. ABAP is a language that is apart from Java and your bases. So it is a different kind of a language altogether. I'm Shubha Bansal. I have 16 years of experience completely in ABAP. I am hardcore ABAPer, starting from core ABAP to advanced ABAP. I worked on HANA, I worked on upgrades, I have worked on rollouts, and I worked as a lead consultant as well. So that's my profile. Anything anybody would like to ask about me?
Yes, Isha. Have you worked any chance for migration project of S4HANA?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. I have worked on migration projects. I worked on rollouts. I worked on upgrades. I worked on all of them.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Isha, is it a greenfield or a brownfield like that, HANA?
I have worked on brownfield as well as greenfield, and both of them. And even when these things were not there, I worked in the core ABAP as well. I know the clean core technology as well, and I have worked on SQL databases. I worked on Sybase database as well. I was part of Amazon. I was part of all government entities in Dubai. So it's what it's my 16 years of career all about. I was in HCL Technologies. I started my career with Sopra.
At present, still in any
Yeah,
MNC or?
I'm working. Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
okay.
working here in Dubai, and I feel as if it's SAP community that gives you the capability of spreading out the knowledge as much as you can. So we have community SAP community as a big worldwide, which we help each other and which we teach also each other. SAP entering into SAP community is a very big stand because you are part of very esteemed community and you can get SAP job anywhere in the world. If you are a SAP community person, you can ping anybody down the line, anybody, and they will be responding. That's the power of our community.
Yeah, Isha. So, no, this is very great to know you. So, can you start our
Sure.
session?
Yeah, I'm thinking so that let's start at 7:40 already. So let me start my session, and first I'll cover the points what all are we gonna cover in our training. I'll share my screen 1 minute. Please let me know if you are able to see my screen.
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah,
Great.
it's
That's nice.
This conference
Shall
will
we
now
wait
be
for 2-3
recorded.
more minutes so that other people who are
switching
joining
on
are in the queue? We
Windows.
can just start up
Yeah,
with the
Gautam, fine.
enter in.
So I shared one link
Okay,
in the
okay.
WhatsApp chat.
Give me 2
Okay.
minutes more.
You click on that link and download the file. There will be SAP setup file.
So Isha, now we are in Dubai means what is the time now there?
It's 7:40 p.m.
7:40 p.m. Okay.
Yeah. So let's start. I think it's most of the people have joined. As soon as I start, somebody else pops in.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, please.
So like basically I did degree in mechanical engineering. So does it require any coding for to learn ABAP, or how is it? Anyone can learn, or any prerequisite is required?
So you've done mechanical engineering from which university, dear?
No, regional college.
So you've done from REC, so you are already from a very good college, and definitely you are you can do uh, all the programming things and everything. Programming is basic, and then above that you can understand how the ABAP works. I'm here to help you out. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Anything else? Anybody wants to ask?
Is this only for the SAP ABAP or anything else you're covering?
We are doing ABAP, core ABAP, and the advanced ABAP. So it will include your HANA, it will include your Eclipse, it will include, that's what I'm just gonna start the, what all things are included and how much will it be focusing on. You can see my screen, right, everyone?
Yes.
Isa, just I want to know how many person who are not working experience in HANA, can you hand raise on the teams so we can understand how many people just they are exhilating the knowledge.
I
Any
don't think so.
possibility?
HANA will be known to much of the people. I
Sorry,
don't know.
can you repeat the question? So whoever is working on HANA or not working?
Not working only, not working.
Not working. Okay, we have to raise the hands, huh? Okay.
Yeah. So we can count. Yeah.
Okay. But future, it's all HANA only, so it's better to concentrate more on HANA.
Yeah. That's why I'm asking for the same.
I'll tell you one very small thing as a BAP person. Nowadays, it's gonna be HANA only. Going ahead, it will be S4 HANA, it will be HANA database. So it's better that we give more focus on these parts. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So most of majority, I think. Yeah, you can start. Isha.
Okay. So if you see over here, you can see that we are gonna understand what SAP architecture is all about. It will be in detail. SAP ECC and S4 HANA, all these will be discussed in detail. Then it will be having strong understanding of core ABAP programming, data dictionary concepts. Any idea of all these terminologies?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. I just want to understand how, at what level are we discussing so that I can deep dive accordingly. Creating of reports, dialogue programs, all these will be done. We'll be doing practice sessions for them. Writing efficient and optimized codes, yes, with OOPS. Object-oriented ABAP principles is called OOPS, object-oriented programming. Okay. Then working on, sorry. Did I miss anybody? Hello.
No, sure. No.
I thought somebody was saying something and I missed that.
Okay, continue.
Okay. Yes, Venkateshwara, you were asking something.
No, yeah. So, what are the practice you are going to show? Is it on HANA or ECC?
On ECC and Eclipse, both. So as
Okay.
the time will proceed, first we'll do on ECC. You will
Okay.
once you are enrolled in the once you are done, then you will get the system details, and then we will start practicing on the system. Okay, and I
Okay.
will be also covering Eclipse. So
Okay.
Uh,
ECC and for HANA,
Isha,
right?
already almost person I already discussed. I think they are all already involved in the SAP ABAP since 10 or 10, 10 plus year experience. So just we are eager to learn with S4 HANA database development.
Okay.
Hey, I am not working in SAP or ABAP, okay? Whatever
Yeah.
you are starting, you can start
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
I
One or
think
two
we will
person maybe.
start from no. I think we will start from what I would suggest that we will start from core basic ABAP, and then we
Okay,
will
okay.
take it ahead so that other
Mhm.
people also can come on the same level, and we all can discuss and talk on the same language. Will that make
Yeah,
Yeah,
sense?
yeah,
yeah.
that makes sense. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so then ABAP this session will be great and would be conditions, good benefits. If case, all these things will be explained, and we will be doing practice on language that is apart from SQL CRUD operation. Java, CRUD is create, read, update, and delete. All of these things will be taken care. Aggregation, annotation, joins, and performance. All these are part of your ABAP on HANA, also on HANA SQL Server as well. Got that? On CDS views are majorly on S4 HANA. These are 4 data services. These are HANA items. Then basic and composite views, annotation, association, all these will be taken care properly. Then HANA centric, how is ABAP on HANA? What is native SQL? What is open SQL? We will be doing examples of all, and I will be showing what is the difference between. Then your SQL trace, that is ST05, it's for performance, runtime analysis, and this AMDP, that's ABAP modified database procedure, will also be created in your ECC. In fact, ECC and HANA both. So we will be doing this also. We will be taking each and everything in a lab participation also. So you will be writing the code that in which you will be creating an AMDP procedure, and with that there will be an ALV that will be created, and it will be easier for development. Then we will start with OOPS concept as well, where you will get information about classes, inheritance, interfaces, polymorphism, all the best practices, and then you will be creating classes to write the program also. That's called OOPS programming. Similarly, going ahead, SAP Fiori and OData are the latest concepts on which advanced ABAP is working on. So SAP Fiori is majorly for your mobile inputs, where you will get the chance to make applications that work directly on mobiles and or internet, so that it will encompass the problems of GUI. So Fiori is something with which you are able to access SAP on your mobile. This is the one way which you can give your users, end users or business users, the power of suppose approving your purchase order from the mobile app itself. They don't need to go into SAP GUI. Or you want to, there's one more thing that's going on nowadays, that's called warehouse management. The warehouse management, you can allow them to move the items into warehouses. Then comes your interfaces and integration. Interfaces and sorry, did I miss something? IDOCs and ALE EDI concepts are a way of how we can transfer our data from SAP to non-SAP and from non-SAP to SAP. Now, for understanding this concept, I would give you one very simple example. IDOCS is one of my specialty. That's why I can lay more concepts on this. So RFC and BAPI, everything are like, suppose today you have one customer who has, or suppose you are using, what is that, BSNL. You are using BSNL for your electricity. So now you are, BSNL uses SAP. Now they want to send the bill to you. So it's not necessary that they will only email you, or that email thing is happening through Gmail or their mail IDs. That is happening through your SAP integration as well, either through IDOC or EDI concept, or web services or so. All these are integration concepts. Then comes your enhancements and debugging. As far as I understand, everyone knows that SAP itself is an ERP system that has predefined set of rules. Like if you are purchasing something, it is a purchase order is created, then a sales order is created when you're selling. So they have their own functional modules to which everything flows in. It's a predefined set of rules which are already maintained for all kinds of business. So everything, either it be finance, either it be sales and distribution, either it be HR, either it be FICO, or logistics, or your quality testing, environment, EHS, all these things are pre-specified modules. So when you have to input some data according to your customer, as an example, I'll give you one very good example. The first company which I worked was Sopra Steria. That Sopra Steria company, our client was Airbus. At that time, A380 was launched. A380 was launched, its launch was based on the documentation we had to provide it. So each and everything has to be written in the document, then only they can deliver an aircraft. So for that thing, SAP was being used by Airbus to encounter all the materials, to save everything, to create the document. So that was my first implementation. In that we had used lots of customer exits, lots of user exits, lots of bodies. Am I clear, or am I going wrong? Or question will be development done on HANA, ECC or S4HANA? Sir, it will be done on both ECC and S4HANA, as well as it will be done through Eclipse, and you will be able to do all this. Just want to ask one thing, everyone: am I going fast, or am I fine on the speed? Let me know, please.
No. Yeah, you are fine.
Yeah, it is fine.
Yeah, good. No issues. Good.
Yeah.
Do let me know if I go past the track. Otherwise, it will be a waste of your time and my time both. So hold my horses if I go very.
Actually, we have limited time to understand the things. So we need to start the training as soon as possible. That's why we
Yes.
are.
Definitely. So initially,
No, don't go so speed. This is good.
I just want you to be very much sure that these are the levels that I will be taking up. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand either I'm very fast or I'm very slow. So that is what I want you to know, that these are the things that will go in your course. So then last will be a project and case study, so that you will be able to understand and show your performance. Cool enough? Any question on any of this part?
Okay.
Isha, every time you're telling that Eclipse, what is the meaning of that Eclipse?
Okay.
Eclipse, yeah, correct.
Fine. So let me show you the major thing.
Okay.
This used to be SAP GUI. It's called
Yeah,
SAP GUI, SAP Logon Pad. So we used to go into this only. We used to open it from here.
So for our practice, are you going to give this system also?
Yes, yes, sir. They will be.
Okay. Okay.
Then only we will be able to do. We will be able
Yeah,
to
yeah.
do our things.
Yeah,
Huh? One.
practice.
So
Yeah,
what
that's correct.
will be getting a. My password is not working. Give me a minute.
Oh, okay, okay. So is it HANA or ECC?
Sir, I'll go and show you how to check that also. 1 minute.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So, means my doubt is through GUI you can't differentiate the system.
Yes, through GUI only you can differentiate, but you have to
I
go
guess,
inside
I
the
guess
system.
it's S4HANA 2023, right?
Yes. So we'll check that. I'll show you all this as well.
Okay, okay,
That is also part of training. Don't worry.
okay.
See, definitely you will be enjoying this. And I'm sorry, I just missed the.
Password.
I was working in the morning and it was working very fine.
Any other user ID, then we can reset the password.
No, they will provide me. That's it. Hello, everyone. I have messaged everyone, but you can see at this system, how do we create this user IDs? You have to create the system and just a second. I'm extremely sorry for all the noise. Okay, so I will explain you how do we create SAP GUI system as well. All these are called connections. Hello. Hello,
Yes,
everyone.
ma'am.
There.
Please go ahead.
Yes, Isha.
So
Go
how
ahead.
do we create this? This is called SAP GUI logon, and then this we have to create the connection.
But in this manner, we are catering the GUI setup only, but not on that user ID, right?
You will, yeah, here you will be putting the user ID as well. So I will be creating this user ID, and user ID will be given to you by user, by the system itself, by admin, and they will be giving you all the details. So what is provided to you is these details. If I show you that you will be getting, you can give a name to your system, you can give system ID, you have to give instance number, and then the application user ID. With this, everything will be created. And then you will do OK. And then you will get your system created. And then when you double click on this, you will get the system over here. Client, user, and password, and logon language. These are the inputs that we have to provide.
So client is always default 100, ma'am, or how is it?
No, so over here, every time that there will be a different client, since it's a testing server.
In the lead now, right? So we as
Sorry, I didn't get you.
I'm not clear on that client. What is that client? How do we decide that?
the system when is given to you, then you will get a client for that system. Okay, I'll show you something SE16 in. Okay, first this is the screen of SAP GUI. Am I a bit understanding?
Yeah, please go ahead. Please,
Okay,
Isha.
all these are your systems. In this system, you will have, this is the SAP GUI screen. The first screen is called SAP Easy Access. Over here, this part is called command prompt, where you will give the transaction codes. Transaction codes are which will open your any of the T codes, transaction code or T code, through which you will be doing your working. Here you can SE11. What I'm writing is SE11. This is one of the T codes. In SE11, you will be able to make data dictionary, ABAP dictionary initial screen. So here you can create database table, views, data types, type groups, domain, search help, and log objects. So you can create them, you can display them, you can change them. Cool enough? Suppose there's one table called, sorry.
Oh, yes.
So there's one table called Mara. This is a standard table. So I can display this and see what are the fields in this. Coming back to client, what you are asking me, the client is called as mandate. SAP is a system in which you can, for each customer, you can have multiple clients. Suppose I am working on Airbus. Airbus will have two clients, one for Saudi or one for Europe and one for France. So that way I can have two different clients which will have completely two different set of data. This is a part of mandate is the field which defines the client. And all the entries done in this table based on the mandate will be different. This is the primary key. Can you understand this?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
We got it. Yeah. We got
so
it.
that this is the client over here that I'm showing. If I show you the data, so you see 100 was the client that we logged in, and it is showing me the 100 data. Fair enough? This is what is client. If I would have another client over here, I don't know whether I have another client or not, but if I will have another client, that data will be specifically for that client. Here we have logged into 100 client, that's why it's showing only 100. So the main thing I want to explain is SE16, SE11 is my first thing that you should know is your T code, and then you should be knowing how to open the screen. Next, how will you check what kind of system it is? Here in the system, you will have the status as one field, which will show you what kind of system it is. So it will show you the system details. If I want to see what product version it is, I can see what is the ABAP version, what is the basis version, and all the values. What all is implemented. Sorry?
How we come to know whether it's ECC or HANA?
With this, sir, ABAP. With ABAP, you will get to know whether it is ECC or HANA.
Okay, it is which
patch
level?
Yes. ABAP is 751 is your ABAP 7.5, and it is S4 HANA.
Okay, 751 is S4 HANA. Okay, S4.
You see
okay.
S4 FND. Anything
okay,
above 7.4, 7.4 and greater than 7.4 are ABAP.
Okay.
So here are all the things that are updated in it.
Okay.
You have HR, you have S4 HANA core, and you have S4 HANA things. Is it available, understood? Any other point? Then you have UI, you have BW in this, you have all the system. MDG is your master data governance, which is also available in this. You can see S4 HANA FND. S/4HANA Foundation is available.
Foundation, okay.
Extension is also. So from this, you can understand whenever you are in any of the SAP system, you can use this way to find out what the system is all about. What are the patches and what are the things allowed in this. So how will you go in this? System, status,
System status.
and then you will system, status, then C details over here. System data details.
Okay.
These are very basic things and very important things that you should be knowing being an SAP consultant. Now defining this complete screen by itself, let's work more onto it.
I'm sorry to disturb you. I've got one question. To be able to practice these sessions, I think SAP, we need a license for that. But I don't have a license for SAP. How
We
will
don't
I
need
proceed?
license. It is the company that's providing you the training. They have the system with them and they are having the license for it. We are not providing them. Each and every person won't go and get the license. Even if you are working in any of the companies, they will not be asking you to buy a license. It will be company that will be having a licensed software, and that will be you. They will be providing you a user with which you will be executing. Different kind of a language.
But in that
altogether.
case, how
I'm Shubha
can we
Bansal.
practice
I
the
have
sessions
16 years
that
of experience
you're teaching
completely
us?
in
Should
ABAP.
we ask from
I
Isha
am
a license?
hardcore ABAPer. You need to ask the core ABAP team of Isha Training. Advanced ABAP. I worked on HANA. I worked on upgrades. They will help you out in all these things. Rollouts.
Okay.
And I worked as a lead consultant. I want you to understand the screen first. So that's my profile. This one, as I explained, is called anything anybody would like to ask about me. Here you can write all the T codes. Whichever T code you find, all these will be written in this. So
Yes,
if
Isha,
I say, please
have you
write
worked
something,
any
write the
chance
T code
for
in your
migration project
command
of
prompt,
S/4HANA?
then this will be your command prompt. Yes, sir. I have worked on migration project. Line is for rollout. I have worked on upgrades. Whatever you have created, I worked on all of them. Is that correct in syntax or no? So this helps in check. This helps in activate.
Isha,
Okay,
is
if
it a
anybody of
greenfield
you
or
has done
brownfield like
Java
that, HANA?
or anybody if you have done any programming language, brownfield as well as you know that we have to save both of them, and even when these things were not there, I worked in the core ABAP as well. ABAP, you have to know the clean core technology as well, and next I have worked on based on SQL databases. I worked your things will be based database available for use in other programs. Without activation, your things won't be available for user to use. Suppose if I create a table, I was part of Amazon. Jmeter is a table that I'm creating all government entities in Dubai. So it's what it's my 16 years of career all about. I was in HCL Technologies. I started my career with Sopra. If I'm creating any table, then here you are able to see the status. Either it's new and it's activated, or what is the status of it. Yeah, I'm working. Yeah, okay, I'm working here in Dubai, and I feel as if it's SAP community that gives you the capability of spreading out the knowledge. Red highlights that there are errors. We have community. That's why it's not saving. SAP community as a big or save worldwide removal of errors. Help each other. I want to just cancel it and come out and show you. SAP entering into SAP community is a very big stand, because you are part of active, then you will be able to and utilize. You can get SAP job anywhere in the world. If you are SAP community going person, ahead, you can. We'll discuss about all this. Anybody. There are down the line that you need to understand, and they will be responding. That's the power of our community. First is, what is SAP? I hope we all know. If I can ask you what is SAP, what will you answer as a point? Please
Yeah, Isha. So, no, this is very great to know you. So, can you start
anyone
our
else?
session?
Yeah, I'm thinking so that let's start at 7:40 already. So let me start my session. Data processing. First, I'll cover the points. What all are we gonna cover in our? Anyone else more?
We
I'll share
can
my
we
screen. One
can
minute.
work on different types of modules like sales, HR,
Right.
purchase.
Modules. So what all modules do we know? HR, SD, MM,
HANA. Yeah.
HANA, FICO, logistics, right? All these things are logistics.
It's a very popular.
Please let
Isha,
me know if you are able
just
to see my
I
screen.
interrupt you. I have a
Yeah,
14
it's
plus year
visible.
experience in SAP ABAP.
Yeah,
I have worked with Accenture. I have worked with the
That's right.
IBM.
This
I have worked
conference
Shall
will
with
we
now
wait
be
for 2-3
recorded.
more
TCS.
minutes so that other
So
people who are
I
joining
know the
are in
terms
the
of
queue, we can just
SAP
start up
Yeah,
with the
Gautam.
they're
enter in.
different.
So I shared
This
one
is
link
no your
in the
application.
WhatsApp chat.
Give me 2
Okay,
minutes more.
you
What
click on that
should I
link and
do then?
download the file.
I'm sorry, I didn't get your
So
point.
There will
You
be
want me to
SAP
move
setup
ahead
file.
instead of all this?
no,
But there are people.
you are
So Isha, now we are in Dubai. Means what is the time now
but
there?
just
It's
11%
7:40
need to
p.m.
understand
7:40 p.m.
they are
Okay.
they are wanted to understand what they are need to work.
So let's start. I think it's I couldn't get your point. I'm sorry. Most of the people have joined. As soon as I start, somebody else pops in. Because the first girl who asked me the question, she was from mechanical engineering and she wanted to understand what SAP is all about. So I'm trying to explain that point to
Can I
that
ask
level of
a
knowledge
question?
people as well. Yes, please. Might be you can give me some few minutes. I'll
Basically,
just explain that part.
I did degree in
Will that be
mechanical
okay?
engineering.
So
So does
HR,
it require
SD,
any
MM, SD is
coding
sales and distribution,
for
then
to
MM
learn
is
ABAP, or
material
how is
master
it? Anyone
management,
can learn,
and
or any
as
prerequisite is required?
so you've done mechanical engineering
Sorry,
from
sorry,
which
sorry,
university,
sorry,
dear?
sorry to disturb you.
No,
I'm
regional
not in.
college.
So you've done from REC, so you are already from a very good college, and definitely you are just one you can do business. All the programming business and all around programming, anything that you and then give me an example and we will divide it how we are using in SAP. I'm here to help you. To explain. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Okay, so there are two kinds of tables. One is your anything else? Anybody wants to ask? There are two types of one is your master one
Is
is
this
your
only for the SAP ABAP
standard
or
tables.
anything else you're covering?
We are doing ABAP, other one ABAP is and your the advanced ABAP. So it will include your HANA, it will include your Would you like me to explain, sir, or will that's you what I'm just gonna share, start the what all things are included and how much will it be Hello everyone, on. Are you able to understand what is a standard table, what is a custom table?
Yes.
Isa, just I want to know how
Can you
many person
explain
go
who
on.
are not
You can explain.
working
Thank
experience in HANA, can
Thank
you hand raise on the
Then
teams
SAP
so
is
we
in
can
picture.
understand
There are two
how many
types of
people
formats.
just
Either it is a standard code or it is a
they
custom
are
code. Custom
exhibiting
code.
the
Custom
knowledge.
codes means anything that is starting. I
Any
don't think so.
possibility?
HANA
Or
will be known to much of the people. That becomes your
sorry,
custom
can you repeat the
specific code.
question? So
That we will
whoever
be
is
developing.
working on HANA or not
Okay.
working?
And
Not
when
working only,
we
not
are
working.
talking
Not
about, like
working.
I gave
Okay,
an
you have to raise
example
the
of
hands.
Para,
Okay.
this
Yeah,
is a standard
so
table
we can
provided
count.
by SAP itself.
Okay. But
It's not created by
future
me
it's
or it's
all
not
HANA
created by
only, so it's
anybody.
better to
The data,
concentrate
the
more on
table has
HANA.
been provided to
Yeah,
me by
that's why I'm
SAP
asking for the
company
same.
itself. So that's a standard table.
So we can say that they are inbuilt tables.
I'll tell you one very
with
small thing
SAP.
as a
We can say that
ABAP
they are
person.
inbuilt table.
Nowadays,
in
it's
SAP
gonna be
application.
that is the difference. HANA one only is an inbuilt going table ahead. It will be or S4 HANA. It will be HANA database. Inbuilt. So it's better that we give more focus on these parts from A to A to X. Anything that will come with this
Yeah, so
naming
most of
convention,
majority,
it
I
will be
think.
standard. That you will
Yeah, you can
will
start.
not be allowed to change by yourself. Okay. Anything that will be starting with Z or Y, that will be customized. So if you see over here, you can see that change. We are gonna understand what SAP architecture is all about. It will be in detail. SAP ECC and S4 HANA, all these will be discussed in detail. Then there will be having basically strong understanding of core ABAP programming or basically ABAP is considered in any idea divided into terminologies. That is reports, interfaces.
Yeah, a little bit.
conversions. Okay. I just want to understand how at what level are we discussing so that I can deep dive accordingly. Is enhancement, creating of reports, dialog programs, all these will be done. We'll be doing practice sessions for them. So these are the way we define SAP all objects. With ABAP, all objects object-oriented ABAP principles is called OOPS, object-oriented programming. Okay, going ahead, then working on, sorry. Now all these naming conventions will be either, if it's inmate, built-in, then it will be through A, B, C, D, and A to X. And if it will miss anybody, customer, then it will be Z and Y. Hello. So I'll show you as an example. As I showed, the table was saying something that it's starting with Mara M. So that's
Continue.
Completely a standard one. Yes, Venkateshwara, you were asking something. This is a D1 that's created by user.
What are the practice you are going to show? Is it
created
HANA
and where
or
it is? This was
ECC?
created by this user and ECC and Eclipse both. Fair enough. As the time will proceed, first we'll do on ECC. Going ahead, you will once you are enrolled in this part, then here you are done, then you will get the system details and then we will start practicing. It is in which language, what its delivery and maintenance format, and what are the fields in it.
Okay.
So ECC, these are the tables.
Already almost person I already discussed.
Giving for an
I think they are
example,
already involved in the SAP ABAP since 10
any
or 10,
table that we
10
enter,
plus year experience.
what is
So
the
just
table?
we are
It's a sir, I'm
eager
sorry,
to
it's
learn
basic
with
for you because you
S/4HANA
have 16
database
years of experience,
development.
you have 15 years of experience. But for other people, it will be very much important to understand that.
Hey, I am not working in SAP or ABAP, okay? Whatever you are starting, you can start it.
I think we will start from, I think we will start from what I would suggest that we will start from core basic ABAP and then we will take it ahead. You can so that other people also can come on the same level and we all can discuss and talk on the same language. And columns, so will that make sense? So each and every table will be made in this way. Thank you. Tables are made of rows and columns. So then ABAP this section will be great and would be conditions, good benefits, if case, column 2, all these things will be explained and we will be doing practice on any data that is apart and it will be called as Java. Root is create, this is a row, read, update and delete. Am I understandable to everyone? Will be taken care. Aggregation, annotation, joins and performance. Okay. All so these if are I show you this data, ABAP on HANA also on HANA SQL Server as well. Got that? On CDS views are majorly on S4HANA. These are 4 data services. These are HANA items. Then basic and composite views, annotation, association, all these will be taken care properly. Then HANA centric, how is ABAP on HANA? What is native SQL? What is open SQL? We will be doing examples of all and I will be showing what is the difference between. Then your SQL trace, that is ST05, it's for performance, runtime analysis, and this AMDP, that's ABAP modified database procedure, will also be created.
Zmara means it's a custom table.
No, I have changed it to in fact ECC and HANA both. I want to see why. So we will be doing. It has 48 records. I want to show you how the table actually looks. Each and everything in a lab participation also. So you will be writing the code that in which you will be taking an AMDP procedure, and with that there will be an ALV that will be created, and it will be easier for development.
SAP is
then
quite
we will
new
start
for
with
me. Will you provide us some notes
where you will get
so that we can go?
Hello. About classes, inheritance, interfaces, polymorphism. I provide you all the notes as well, and then you will use the classes. Saying that I will write the program. That's called Isha OOPS programming.
Isha, you are.
Similarly, going ahead, SAP Fiori and OData are the latest concepts on which advanced ABAP is working. I know who's speaking, sir. So the SAP Fiori is majorly for your mobile inputs, where you will get the chance to make applications that work directly on mobile, right? Or internet, so that it will
Yeah, below.
encompass the
B1,
problems
B2,
of
B3, I have worked with SAP.
So Fiori is something with
Perfect.
which you are able to access
Yeah.
SAP
I
on
think
Even
computer.
even
It is the
even
one
even
way
I have
which
worked
you
with
can
SAP
give your users, end
India.
users or business users
okay, sir.
the power of suppose
So
approving your
I'm not understanding.
purchase order from the mobile app
Sorry,
itself.
sorry
They don't
to
need
say,
to go into
but
SAP GUI.
please
Or you want to, there's one more thing
don't call
that's
me.
going on nowadays that's called warehouse management. The warehouse management, you can allow them to.
So can we have a discussion
move
after
the
this class? Can we talk
items
after
into
this
Yeah,
so that other
warehouse.
people won't be?
yeah, sure.
Then
sure.
comes your
Please
interfaces
don't
and
disturb
integration.
because I am
Interfaces
another
and
call,
integration.
so that's why I'm saying that like that.
Did I
Thank
miss
you.
something?
So, ma'am, who
Sorry,
was
sir,
asking
sorry.
me the question? So you
IDOC
can see
and
this is one
ALE
record.
EDI concepts are a
Can you
way
see that
of
how
how
record,
we
ma'am?
can transfer our
Yes.
data from SAP
So this
to
is a
non-SAP
record
and from
which
non-SAP
says that
to
client
SAP.
is 100.
Now,
The material
for
name is
understanding this
It was
concept,
created
I
on
would give you
this.
one very
So
simple
this
example.
is one record
IDOC
which
is
comes in this
one of
table.
my specialty.
So if you
That's
open
why I
any
can
Excel,
say more concepts on this.
how do you create an
So,
Excel file?
RFC
You
and
have one
Vapi, everything
table.
are like
You
suppose
create
today
how do
you
you
have
create any of the records?
one customer who has
Right?
or suppose
So it
you
is
are
that table only.
using
Here you are taking this table, you will be putting the
what is
values
that?
over here,
BSNL.
right?
You are using BSNL for your
So
electricity.
that is what
So
it's
now
all
you are
about.
BSNL uses SAP. Now they want to send the bill to you.
Are other
So
people
it's not
able to
necessary
follow
that
me
they
or
will
no?
only email you or
Yeah,
that
it's okay.
email thing is happening.
So here
through
I'm saying,
Gmail or
suppose
the
I say
mail
customer
ID.
name,
That is
customer
happening
number.
through your SAP integration.
Then I give another as customer name.
Either through IDOC or EDI concept.
Then I give as
or web
address.
services or so.
Then I
All
give
these
it
are
as
integration concepts.
your telephone number. Then I give another
Then comes
column
your
as
enhancements
your
and
material.
details. As
As
far
your
as I understand, everyone knows
WhatsApp
that
number
SAP itself is an
or
ERP
your
system
email.
that has predefined
Right? These are the details you will
like
be taking
if you
from
are
the
purchasing
customer
something
and make
it
put
is
it
a
in one
purchase
table.
order is created,
Right?
then a sales order
That
is
will
created
be
when
one
you sell
table
it.
that we are
So
showing.
they
I'm
have
showing
their
you in
own
the Mara
functions,
table.
function
For
model,
SAP
functional
customer
modules
table is
through
called
which
KNA1.
everything flows in. It's a predefined set of rules which are already maintained for all kinds of business. So everything, either it be finance, either it be sales and distribution, either it be HR, either it be finance.
So here I can give the customer table name,
logistics,
that is also
or your
standard.
quality,
KNA1 is the standard customer table,
environment,
and we can
EHS.
display it.
All these things are
These are all the
pre-specified
customers.
modules.
1000 is one customer. It is from US,
some data
and the name is
according to
this.
your customer.
Are you able to
As an
understand?
example, I'll give you one
This
very
is
good
the standard
example.
table
The
that has
first
been
company
provided
which I
by SAP
worked
itself. We
was
don't need to
Sopra
create
Steria.
this table.
That Sopra Steria company,
Try to understand.
we had our client
one
was
is standard, one is custom
at
data.
that time. A380
Standard is
was
something
launched.
it is provided to us
was
by SAP
launched.
itself, and
Its launch
using which
was
we can
based
create
on
our,
the documentation.
we
We
can
had
use
to provide
that,
it.
and we can
So
implement
each
our
and everything
implementation.
has to be
And
written
we can
in the
do our
document.
work. Then only they
Another
can
one
deliver
is
in
custom.
aircraft. Suppose I
for
have
that
another
thing,
process
SAP
that is
was being used by Airbus
that is
to
not provided by
encounter
SAP,
all
but I
the
need for
to
that
save
thing for
everything
my
to
business.
create the
Then
document.
I will be
So
creating
that
something
was
called
my first
custom in
which will be
implementation.
my
In that
own
table
tables,
that will start
lots
with
of
Z or
customer
Y.
exits,
It
lots
will
of
be my own
user
reports.
exits,
It will
lots
be my
of
own
buttons.
interfaces.
Am I clear
Fair
or
enough
am
with
I
everyone?
going wrong?
Yeah, but do we create the custom tables
Question will be
in
developed
the
in
real
future.
time? And how do
Yes,
we
sir.
create those?
Yes,
GCC
sir. We
or
do
S4
create.
HANA?
It
Sir, it
depends
will be
upon
done
the
on
business.
both.
Suppose
GCC
you are
and
working
S4
with
HANA,
as well as
might
it will
be
be done
FMCG company, and you have defined all the
Eclipse,
materials,
and
but then you have a new
you will be
process
able
that has
to
come
work
up for your new type of materials. Just
or
want to ask
something
one
new
thing,
thing
everyone.
has been
Am I
arrived.
going
For
fast
that
or am
custom
I
thing,
you cannot use it
am I
in
fine
the
on this
predefined
page?
format? Let me know. You
No.
need to create a
You are
custom
fine.
object. Any
Yeah,
business
it is
is
fine.
not
Yeah,
possible
good.
without
No
custom
issues.
object.
Good.
Yeah.
Do let me know if
So,
I go past the track. Otherwise,
which
it will
team
be
will create
waste of
this
your
custom
time and my
tables?
time both.
Custom.
So hold my thoughts and
We
then I
have
will
No,
go
to.
with the
actually,
ABAP team.
actually, we have
The
so
ABAP
ABAP team
limited
will
time
create
to
the custom tables. Okay.
understand the things.
Yes.
So we need
It
to
will be
start the
our
training as soon as
responsibility to
possible.
find out
That's
the
why we
proper
are
way
It will be given by functional person. They will be defining it. So whether it is decided to use a standard one, create an enhancement in the standard one
This is
to
good.
absorb our custom thing. I just want you to be very much sure that these are the levels that I will be making up. Otherwise, you will be not be able to understand both the things very fast or I'm very slow. Enhancement will work. That is what I want you to know, that these are the things that will complete new role in your course. Suppose then last you have project and case study implemented, so that you will be able to understand and show your. So in 2018, when GST implemented, it was a nation. Any question on any complete India was being impacted with it. So it was
Isha,
SAP
every
that
time you're
took
telling
the
that eclipse, what is the
decision
meaning
that
of
they
that
will be
eclipse?
implementing in their standard.
Eclipse, yeah,
So
correct.
it was changed from SAP. So let me show you the changes in SAP standard. This used to be SAP didn't do anything. But it's called if you are using any of your SAP logon pad. You have a new we used to go into this only. Any customer used to open it more than 5 years will be provided with 10% discount more. That is your business. So you have to identify.
For our
You have to
practice, are
implement
going
that.
to give this system also?
Yes, I was part of Amazon, and we had given such a offer that anybody will be able to do we will be able continuous to do customer for Amazon who has the validity of 5 years will be given a BOGO offer, that is buy one get one free for at the end of the year. My passport is so not these are custom things that you have to define. Everything cannot be done functionally. You need to enroll it. I'll go and show you how to check that also.
Okay.
1 minute.
And is it like, do we clone from the existing one, or
means my
most
doubt
of the
is
times
through
are
GUI
we
you
create
can't
the new one?
differentiate the system?
It can be both. Yes, can be UI only. You can differentiate, but you have to one thing that needs to be done. So that
I
is
guess
done
it's
through
S4HANA
enhancement.
2023,
Other things
right?
are being worked by standard,
check
but
that.
you
I'll show
want
you all
something
this as
more
well.
to be done by
Okay,
one
okay.
business rule is tweaking,
That is
which is
also
giving
part
a
of
problem.
training.
So you
Don't
will
worry.
be changing that.
Okay.
That's called enhancement.
Okay, thank you.
And if it's a completely new thing, definitely you will be creating a new object itself, and might be completely different from
I
it.
just missed the.
Okay.
For that,
Anything else? Any question? I was working in the morning
No,
and
that's
was
all
working
understood.
very
Yeah,
fine.
thank you.
So that is the major part that you need to understand.
Any other
What is
user ID,
custom,
then we
what
can
is
reset the password.
standard, and what are
No, they
tables.
will
And then we will
provide me.
deep dive
That's it.
into how we create a table, and then what is a domain, what is element. So that is going ahead. So you need to understand what is row, what is columns, and how do we define these.
I've got another question. Will you show us the syllabus on what you are going
Will
to
I
teach
show you?
throughout the course?
I didn't get you, ma'am.
Yeah, will you show? I think I joined the session a bit late. I don't know if you have already showed the other students about the syllabus you're going to cover during the course.
Yes, ma'am. I did show that at the start of the. I'll show you again. Not an
No,
issue.
it's okay. I will just go through the recording. No issues.
Okay. So here are how we will be going ahead. Hello, everyone. So I have messaged the thing that I explained now today was a data dictionary object that I showed you what is data dictionary object. You have to create the system. This we will be learning S4HANA. We will be learning ECC. Both the objects will be learning, and we'll be starting. We have started with core ABAP programming.
Okay.
So what
Because
we are
SAP is quite new for me.
I'm extremely sorry.
That's why I'm asking. Yeah.
That's perfectly okay. So I will explain you how do we. It's good that it teaches you to we system as well to encourage our understand connections. Any other question, please? Hello.
Also, I want to know
Hello.
Yes,
Everyone
ma'am.
here?
Please go ahead.
Yes,
Yes.
So we how do we create this? And if you want, I can include Adobe form that I have to this we have from the management or the admin.
Okay. Okay.
We can
Madam,
include
this is,
Adobe
But
form as
in
well.
this manner, we
yeah,
are catering
Isha, this
the
AI
GUI
tool,
setup
Joule
only,
also
but
going
not on
to
that
show?
No,
user
sir.
ID, right?
No, sir. It's not
Okay.
you will here we you will be putting the core ABAP user ID advanced ABAP. So I will be creating this user ID and user ID will be given to you
Okay.
by
And any
user,
material means any
by the system
notebook,
itself, by
sorry,
admin, and
notes
they will be
we're
giving
going
you
to
all the
provide.
details. So whatever
Each
I'm
topic wise.
writing in is these whatever details. Today it was very fast. If I show you, I'll be
Okay.
you will be getting all you can give a name to your system, which I will can give system ID, you have to give instance number, and whatever I'll be teaching here, you will be getting that everything will be created as your, and then you will do okay. Whatever I have then you will get the system created, and then when you double click on this, you will get the system over here.
Okay.
Client,
All these sessions you are
user,
recording, and these
password,
recordings
and
are available
logon
for us
language.
for
Yes, the
future
other
reference
inputs
also.
that we have to
Okay.
provide. Sir, I'm sorry. What was rude? I'm extremely sorry. I've been.
So client is always default 100 ma'am, or
Sir, I'm sorry.
how is it?
What was rude? No, sir. Over here, every time that there will be a different client, since it's a testing server.
Sorry,
Right,
can you hear me?
So we as
Sorry.
Can you hear me?
Sorry, I don't know. It's Abiuddin, sir. You've written that I was rude. I didn't get you.
I'm not
Yeah,
clear
no,
on that client. What is
I
that
was talking
client?
to the
How
other
do we
guy
decide
who
that?
jumped into the call and started
The
shouting
system,
stuff.
when
Don't call me.
is
Don't call
given to
me.
you,
So I thought he
then
was
you will
rude.
get. Okay, he
Not
was
you.
client for that system.
Yeah, he was
Okay,
rude.
I'll show
Yeah.
you something.
Me,
Let me
yes.
see.
Okay, he
In
has 30
okay,
years of
first this
experience.
is the
Who cares?
screen of
So
SAP
don't come
GUI.
into a call and start.
Yeah, because we
Okay,
all
let's
obviously
connect.
learn.
Let's do our task. It's
Yeah,
very
please, go ahead.
let's
Please.
okay.
Isha.
And all these are your system support. In this system, you will have understand the things today. It was a
Yeah.
very deep session. The first and but I tried to show you the things, and I wanted to over here things to be understandable. This part is called next session. We'll be taking you will give the transaction code. What is a transaction codes are which will what is data dictionary any of the T codes, and I will transaction code want you guys to which you will be doing your working. So it will be really helpful. Here you guys can understand what I'm writing is
Ma'am, I've got one question
SE11.
regarding
one
the
of the T codes.
installation. Will you
In
show us how
SE11, you
to
will
install
be able to
SAP
make data dictionary.
on
You don't
our
have
machine?
dictionary initial screen. You don't need here. You can create supported by the training system, data types, type groups, domain, search, training company will support you. So you can create them. You can they will provide you. You can change them.
Is there any
Cool enough?
link that we should connect to practice this?
Suppose there's one table. Ma'am, you should connect with admin. They will help you and they will guide you out. Don't worry. So there's one. If anything else is required, I will be there. Standard table.
Okay, thank you.
So
I
they
can
will provide the
display this
software, ma'am, or how?
and see what are the fields in this. You can ask the admin. Coming back, they will provide you with the installation files. They will provide you with the user. They will provide you with the system. They will provide you the server. Everything. You can for each
All right, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
customer, you can have
So,
multiple clients.
when will be the regular
Suppose,
classes, Isha?
I am working
So
on
from
Airbus.
tomorrow
Airbus
onwards, is
will
it
have
regular or
two clients, one for Saudi,
I
one
think
for
I will
Europe, and one for France.
you guys to
So that way I can have
with
two
admin
different clients,
as and when
which
Okay.
will have completely two different set of data. The regular class. This I hope you like my class is the field and you like the client.
Yeah.
And all the entries
Yes,
done in this table based on the mandate will be different. This is the primary. Get your question, Chinmay. Can you understand this?
Sorry, what's the total duration of the course and what's the
It's 40 hours.
Yeah.
Yes, 40 hours. This was a demo.
We got
So
it.
that
be
this
40
is the
classes?
client over here that I'm showing. If I show you the
so it's an
data.
hour length class,
Yes,
right?
sir. Right.
Okay.
Because going ahead, what I am planning is that half an hour I'll teach a concept. 100 was the client that we logged in, and then next it is showing half an hour. You will practice, and you can ask me any of the question and any problem, and that this is what is client. Take it ahead. If I would have another client over here, I don't know whether I have another client or not.
People who have
But if I will have another client,
with SAP, or
that
is it for
data
someone
will be
who's just
specifically for that.
joining for new?
Here we have logged into 100 clients. That's why it's ABAP is so soft and so reasonable. So that main thing I want to understand that's my way of teaching that with SE11 making it easier for you. My first thing that you should know is your T code, and then you should be knowing how to open the screen. Next, how will you check what kind of system is anybody here in the system?
Did you say you don't know
you
when
will
the
have the
actual class is
status
going to start?
as one field which will show you what kind of I would say that admin will you can reach out to admin when they will be making it. I think they will be deciding how many demo sessions need to be done. According to me, it show you the system 2 demo sessions or if one I want to see what product version it is. I can see what is the ABAP version, what is the basis version, and all the values. What all if I may ask how from what all
we come to
locations
know
are
whether
the
it's
people
ECC
joined my
or
class?
HANA?
India with this sir ABAP. With ABAP you will get to know
Sure.
whether it is ECC or
I am
Mauritius.
from
Okay, it
Texas.
is which
S4
batch
course.
level?
Super.
I'm UK.
ABAP is 751 is
Great,
your grade. ABAP 7.5
Not
and it
Croatia,
is
UK.
S4 HANA. Yeah, got that. I
Okay,
said grade.
okay,
Oh.
751 is
Cool.
S4 HANA. Okay,
Great.
S4
I
core.
hope I
Okay.
am not I'm utilizing. You
Okay.
guys are feeling good. 7.4 and greater than 7.4 are ABAP.
Okay.
Are you located in
So here
India,
are all
ma'am?
the things that are I'm located in Dubai.
Okay.
You
Dubai,
have
okay.
HR, you have S4 HANA. It's been 10, 11 years that I have S4 HANA. And I worked with Amazon Dubai, I worked with Al Fateh in Dubai. Available, understood all the biggies in Dubai. Then you have UI, you have BW in this, you have all the systems. It was Soup.com that was using SAP master data and Amazon killed our SAP. Also available. You can see S4 HANA FND, S4 HANA Foundation. Amazon is selling SAP through their AWS. So from this you can understand whenever you are in any of the SAP systems, you can use this way to find out what the system is all about. What are the patches and what are the
Both
things
SAP
allowed.
and Salesforce, they are greatly in
So how will you
demand
go in this
regarding
system?
ERPs.
Pages? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. It is the most, and then 70% of market share is taken by SAP. Oracle is sidelined. Oracle Financial has been sidelined. Odo, the new buddies that are coming in, Odo and these are very basic things and very important players that you should be knowing being an SAP consultant. It's been 50 years that SAP is there. Now defining this
Yeah, I
complete
know,
screen by
because since
itself,
I joined
let's
IT,
work more
I
onto
joined
it.
Accenture quite a long time. The main I'm sorry project to was on disturb SAP, you. but I've got one
I
question.
didn't have the chance to work on
To be able
SAP.
to
I was
practice
working on
these
another ERP,
sessions, I think SAP
PeopleSoft.
we need a license for.
So
Yeah, PeopleSoft
but
is also
I don't
almost
have a license for
outlined.
SAP.
It's
How
you
I
don't
have
need
this is not
license. It
that
is the
much
company
demanding
that's
as
providing you the
SAP.
training. They have the system
Yeah.
now with them, and they are having the license for it. We are not providing them. Each and every person won't go and get the license. Global, even if you are working in any of the companies, they will not be asking you to buy a license. It will be company that will be having a license software, and that will be you. They will be providing you a user. This you can ask the admin, whosoever has added kind of a language.
But in
It
that
will
case,
for
how
should
can
have
we
them to
practice
answer.
the
Have
sessions
global
that
certification. There are
you're
various
teaching us?
in
Should we
ABAP.
ask
There
from
is
Isha
various
last?
certifications which are available in it from the ABAP only. It can be ABAP on cloud. It can be worked on AI certification. There are lots of AI certification are separate. I am ABAP certified and I work as a lead consultant. I want you to understand the screen first. So that's my profile certification as is called anything anybody would like to ask about your head. Here you can certified is definitely a very good whichever T code you very good all these will be written. People will be looking at. So
Yes,
if
Isha,
I say
have you
write
worked
something
any
write
chance
a code
for
in your
migration
in
project
your
in
command prompt,
S/4HANA?
then this will be your course. You should go and yes, sir. I have worked on migration project. Is for rollout. I have worked on upgrade. Whatever you
So how
have
is the
to
market
worked
for
on.
ABAP,
Is
ma'am?
that correct
Okay,
in
okay.
syntax or no? So this helps in check. I didn't get
I
the
want to
question.
ask
Is this helps in activate?
Is
Yes,
BTP
if
different
anybody of
from
you has done
BTP
Java
different from
or
ABAP?
anybody if you have done I have worked on brownfield as well as you know that BTP is this transformation and even when these things were not there, I worked in the core ABAP as well. You have know the green core technology as same and next is on which you can base SQL databases. Your also will be and base integration for use in other